Because for someone had seen that, you idiot. What?
Not that amazing.
It's just a bunch of birds.
There's more, there's more.
It's for Simon, not me.
Just diamond them there.
The birds are mint. Look at them. Look how fun.
Wow, look at
Home to lie on.
No, you can't take my legs on to lie on.
Just from the knees down, you can have the stumps.
You can have your thigh.
Yeah, you can walk on stumps if you want, Amy.
No, it's okay.
That looks so scary. I'd be so scared of Amy if she was stumps for it. As you walk.
This is on record, by the way.
Amy, stumps for legs.
I haven't got stumps for legs.
I could imagine it. You could have him.
I totally missed that, by the way.
Go and show Steve camera.
Jack's just.
Jack's chuffed about.
Oh,
Oh, he's cute.
yeah, it is. Oh,
There.
No, but did you lick my head?
Steve's my foot rash. No problem.
That's like your
look, my name is there. I also
Where?
went to school somewhere, I can't remember where.
I hope your shoes aren't that dirty.
Of course they are. Look at Simon's name.
And Bob as well.
And Bob with that.
Oh, why isn't
Bob.
my name there?
But
Can I put my
can
name
you
there?
sign it?
No.
Well, you have to sign it. Get a pen out of my bag.
I've got one. It's a much better pen. It's Beetlejuice pen.
It's a
Beetlejuice.
Because that makes sense. You can sign it on there, Sean, because you're so special.
Why can't I sign there?
Because you can.
That's a guess, it looks like a 5. It's a L, it looks like a...
An
looks like
L.
an E. That's a gay T, it looks like an E.
It keeps catching.
That looks like a C.
Steve.
Seaman.
It says fucking sex. That's so cute. Good.
He's meant
I'll
to be
fucking
sex,
eat all
but
your
he can't
teeth.
spell. Who?
Fuck you, big time.
Hey, Bob.
Sorry.
Oh, you've got really bully bum. Wait, sit that way.
Bob's nose.
No.